Hi friends, today we're going to do my less than 10-minute writing exercise that will improve your writing by expanding your vocabulary. We are continuing working with homophones. Today's homophone is rite, and there are 3 different words that are pronounced as rite. And a homophone is a word, words that are pronounced the same but are spelled different and have different meanings. So these are 3 different words that are pronounced as rite. We're going to use each one in a sentence so we can better understand them by putting them into context. And the 3 different spellings are R-I-G-H-T, R-I-T-E, and W-R-I-T-E. I'll give you general definitions, but I've also included links to Merriam-Webster's website below so you can find the formal definitions along with any additional information about these 3 words. Let's start with rite, R-I-G-H-T, and use it in a sentence. And rite, R-I-G-H-T, can either be an adjective, a word that describes, it can be a noun, a word that represents a person, place, or a thing. It can be an adverb, or it can be a verb, an action word. And it means proper something one has proper claim to, or precisely, or to restore. All right. Many argue that healthcare is a human right. It's in this case, it's something that's that people have a proper claim to, is what the sentence is, how I used it in that sentence. Let's move on to rite, R-I-T-E, which is only a noun, a word that represents a person, place, or a thing, and it means a ceremonial practice. The priest performed last rites. So usually when a priest performs last rites, a person is dying, and they're doing this ceremonial practice to offer them spiritual relief that their soul's going to heaven, and that they're asking for forgiveness and all that good stuff. Now let's move on to rite, R-I-T-E, and it's rite, R-I-T-E is a verb and an action word, and it means to inscribe characters or symbols on a surface. The guest book lay open for those attending to write their names. So wherever this event or thing that's happening, there's a guest book for all the attendees to put their name down, to write their name in. Anyway, rite, a wonderful homonym. 3 different words, 3 different spellings, 3 different meanings. They all are pronounced the same. Sometimes can be confusing. Anyway, use them in a sentence. Make sure you're using the correct word in your writing. R-I-G-H-T, R-I-T-E, and W-R-I-T-E. If you found this exercise helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy writing.